In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make corrections in customer balances on QuickBooks Desktop. If a customer's balance looks wrong, the most important thing is not to guess. You want to identify exactly which transaction is creating the issue before you make any changes. That helps you avoid affecting other records and keeps your accounts receivable accurate. Start by going to the Reports menu at the top of QuickBooks Desktop. From there, select Customers and Receivables, and then choose Customer Balance Detail. This report gives you a clear view of the activity connected to each customer, so it's one of the best places to begin when you're troubleshooting a balance problem. Once the report opens, locate the customer whose balance appears incorrect. Review their transaction history carefully and look for anything that stands out. Common issues include a duplicated invoice, a payment that wasn't applied correctly, or a transaction entered with the wrong amount. Take your time here because finding the exact source of the discrepancy will make the correction much easier and help prevent additional errors. After you've identified the problematic transaction, the next step is to correct it directly from the customer's record. Go to the Customers menu and select Customer Center. On the left side, click the customer's name to bring up their transaction list. This area shows invoices, payments, credit memos, and other activity related to that customer. Find the incorrect transaction in the list, then double-click it to open it. Once it's open, make the necessary correction. Depending on the issue, you may need to adjust the dollar amount, change the date, or update the items included on the transaction. Be sure to review the entire form before saving, especially if changing one detail could affect the customer's balance or reporting period. When the correction is complete, click Save and Close. That will update the transaction and, in most cases, correct the customer balance right away. If the transaction causing the issue is a credit memo, there's one extra thing to keep in mind. In some cases, instead of editing it, you may need to delete the credit memo and recreate it properly. To do that, open the credit memo, go to the Edit menu, choose Delete Credit Memo, and then enter it again with the correct information. Once you're done, it's a good idea to return to the Customer Balance Detail report and confirm that the balance now appears correctly. That final check helps ensure the correction worked and that the customer's account is now accurate.